Transform homemade inlays into stunning resin art with just a few simple techniques. Watch as we create a breathtaking sign featuring beautifully imprinted wedding bands. We're starting with a set of homemade inlays made from Let's Resin silicone rubber. Today I'll be using the wedding band set and a silicone mold to create a sign. I begin by coloring the wedding bands with intense silver mica powder, and I use a Rollo mica powder in a light purple to color the edge of the sign. As we dive into this project, I want to share that these inlays are handmade by me using Let's Resin silicone rubber with a 15A hardness, offering high flexibility. They're perfect for adding unique touches to any resin creation. If you're interested, you can find them in my eBay store. The link is conveniently located in the description box below. Now I mix my resin using Let's Resin and mix it with my Resiners dual mixing machine and the Let's Resin debubbler machine, which helps to remove any air bubbles. I pour the resin into the silicone mold. I will place the inlays, and I want you to note I am using a flashlight and tools to secure there is no air bubbles trapped around the edges or around the inlays, and I will allow this to cure. I'm using a flashlight here because it allows me to see the air bubbles more clearly. This ensures that I can easily identify and remove any trapped bubbles, especially in a curvy area, for a smoother and more flawless finish. After curing, it's time to remove the inlays and reveal the beautiful imprint. You'll notice that the inlay came out clean, and it only needs a quick wash with soap and water. Once cleaned, you store them in the container provided at time of purchase, and they'll be ready for the next project. I then mix up some UV resin with a holographic silver glitter, and I will fill the imprint left by the wedding band, curing it with a UV light.
Big news for all our wonderful subscribers. Get ready to dive into the excitement of our brand new subscriber celebration giveaway. Yes, you heard that right. With every milestone of 100 new subscribers, like 200, 300, 400, and beyond, I'll be hosting a special drawing to pick one lucky winner. But wait, there's more. For every 500 subscriber milestone, 500, 1,000, 1,500, and beyond, we're pulling out all the stops with a grand giveaway. 5 winners will be chosen to receive even more amazing prizes. Want to be a part of this thrilling giveaway? It's as easy as pie. Like this video, comment below, so I know you're out there. Share with your friends. Subscribe to our channel. That's your ticket to entering the giveaway for our next subscriber milestone. And the best part, it's entirely free to join in on the fun. Plus, I'll cover all postage costs for the winners. I'll be announcing the winners during one of my videos, so stay tuned. Keep an eye out for your name and make sure to reach out to me within 3 days of the announcement. Be careful of imposters. I'll only contact winners through my official channel. If I don't hear back within 3 days, I'll draw another name, so make sure you're watching closely. Everything unfolds right here in our videos, so you don't want to miss out on a single moment. Let's celebrate these exciting milestones together. Good luck to all. Thank you for your incredible support. You make this journey amazing. You're awesome. Thank you for being here, and thank you for watching.
I mix up more resin as I did before, using the light purple from the Rolo collection. I will pour this over the back of the mold. As soon as this is cured, I will be back for demold. After demolding the project, I use scissors and cuticle cutters to carefully remove any overpour, followed by sanding the edges with an emery board for a smoother finish. Next, I drilled holes for the sign using my mini Dremel. With everything in place, I turned around for the big reveal of the stunning piece. Here's another inlay project showcasing a fantastic way to dress up a wedding sign. You can personalize it further by adding words with a Cricut machine, making it uniquely yours. I hope you have enjoyed this creative journey as much as I have. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more resin art adventures.